Copilot and Microsoft Fabric with Power Platform, Power BI. In today's video, we'll be covering features in Power BI that utilize Copilot to make your workflow smarter, not harder. Overview. Create reports in seconds, generate DAX calculations, create summaries, and get answers, all in conversational language. Create reports in seconds. Quickly create and tailor reports by simply describing what you want or asking questions about your data. Quickly explore and summarize data. Understand your data faster by adding insightful text summaries, and even tailor the tone, scope, and style of narratives. Write DAX queries. Use Copilot across the Power BI experience, including in the Explore feature to summarize your semantic models and in the DAX query view to write and explain DAX queries.